back out here, 2025. Look at that. You get the fuck out of my way. Ugly ass boy. What's up, guys? We back outside. We back outside. We outside. Yes, sir. Oh. Tosh, okay. Well, we accept them all, man. We need some joy cars. Yeah, look at that bad boy. It's supposed to be at 7 o'clock for this event, but everybody's early. Alright, that's diesel, it's crazy. Hi, Philip. Subaru. Ooh. New and old. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, we out here.
We outside, you know, 2025.
Yeah.
You know, you just look like one big man, bro. Oh, no, Bubba.
Come here, man. Thanks for putting this meat on, man.
Yeah, I put this one on now. Yeah. Most definitely put this one on.
Yeah, this is my boy Drew. He hosted.
Biggest supporter right here.
In town.
Dang, bro, you look like a wolf. Winter's been rough.
Let that man go, baby.
Winter's been rough on you, dog. You, damn, boy.
Get the shot.
Damn, boy. Everybody knows on the one wheeler right here. He gonna crank that shit.
What's up, Joey? I be seeing that little nigga JoJo everywhere, man. What's good, gang?
It's good.
Go ahead,
Shit, you know I'll smack that motherfucker, man.
I hear him vlogging and shit. Hey, it's not even 7 o'clock yet. This ain't even a
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, bro. But
Everyone's
just getting started.
Getting here early.
and then we have the skate park next week too. Like shit.
That was gonna be fun.
Is that Brady?
It's also gonna be fun.
What's up, sexy?
I'm faithful. They said there was almost 700 people. Yeah, which is crazy. I think it's
No. There was over 100 people like saying, "Hey, I'm coming," but there was like maybe 700 saying interested.
At least.
And that's not even counting like Instagram, Snapchat.
Right, that didn't count people.
Nerd. You know what I'm saying? So that's not even counting all that shit. So
I want to fucking. I forgot they put a fucking.
yeah. But no, I just want to get a little walk around real quick, see who's all here. I'm not going all the way down there yet until it gets really active. Until it gets active, so yeah.
So when did you guys put an exhaust on that? I don't remember it.
It had that exhaust for a minute now.
Yeah, it just has resident to delete.
I was saying, 'cause I remember last time. I remember seeing it. It didn't sound like
This
that.
man over here.
Maybe.
Why he look like Black Jesus?
Check the fit, cuz. Come on, man. Check the fit. Check the fit.
Okay.
Even though these pants really ain't that hard, I don't really like it.
Fit check, okay. Columbia. I don't know what those are. Sheesh! Damn, girl. Damn, those all busted. You about to hit licks. She about to hit licks. Hey, I can't talk, but we got the rocks on. Nice little soul.
Hold on, man. Get this lame ass nigga's fit check, man. He said he not fit it, but the fit.
I mean, we got a nice little.
I got the pee-pee poo-poo shirt
Look
on.
at that. Okay. All right. You know, he a little fitted. What's up, baby boy? Oh, you know what I'm saying?
All because of Shelby's put up right now. All because of Shelby's put up.
Nah, it's all right. The truck can pass.
I'm in the Mercury.
Yeah, fuck you, pussy. Don't get that thing.
3 valve. It'll do the cam thing.
Fucking, wait, you talking what? Nigga, because I can go up to it in a minute. You act like it's going to disappear all of a sudden.
You never know. People go
That's on them then. That's on them.
Just CJ.
Alright, I'm doing a walk. Man. Sheesh, look at that motherfucker right here. Damn. Man, I just smell like E over here. Yeah, see, I'm not going all the way there, but we're going we're going to, so that way we can end up top probably. I don't know. Nah, yeah, we're just gonna go back up. My hands are occupied. Hit the elbow. Yeah, elbow. Yeah.
I'm leaking the 85.
It's okay, man. My dude, he knows. He knows, man.
I told you to check an hour before you sent that video, Drew.
Bro, listen. We literally bought a new spark plug. But it don't. But like, we tried to look in there, and like, it looked okay. Yeah, it was not okay. Them motherfucking threads are gone. Man, they're gone, bro. So like, literally every time you start it, it's just popping, bro. It's just hitting the, cylinder. Man. It's just hitting the cylinder, so it's like, pop, pop. It's crazy.
How much you buy that fucker for?
I didn't buy it. It's not my car.
Okay.
But it's my buddy's. It's my buddy's car, but I feel bad because I was swinging it and it broke.
It's always Drewy, man.
Hey, but I was really being active though. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I was getting active. They don't want me out here. Like there's people already parking over there and stuff already. Well, you got everybody else pulling in. It's okay, man. We got that lot we can use. We got this whole deck, some of that deck, and then you park on the road, I guess. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. Hopefully everybody's chill though.
Bro, this place is gonna be packed.
Bro, there's already like so many already. It's fucking nuts. What's the? I tell everybody come early, man. I tell y'all all the time, come earlier. You don't come earlier. Okay. Yeah. And people say it's just daily traffic. That motherfucker. Yeah, let me see this bitch. Yeah, let me see this bitch. Goddamn, boy. Goddamn, boy. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, this motherfucker get down. Yeah. Damn, what the fuck? That thing is packed to the... What the fuck? Yeah. What up with it, though? Y'all say you gonna have to back up? Yup. This shit full. What was it, a Pinto car? Huh? What you just say? What, nigga? Yeah, you can call it. Come on, what's up, my nigga? White boy called me the N-word. That's good. He's like, whoa, wait. Set you up for failure. Yeah, there ain't no more spots, bro. Everything full, bro. Everything full, shit. We're gonna have to start overflowing to the fucking library in a minute, probably. No, so you can, but if it says reserved, you can't park there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, see, everybody's gonna have to start parking down here. Like, no matter what, like, there's gonna park. It's full up top. You might as well find a spot down here, brother. Hey, find a spot down here. It's full, bro. It's full, bro. Hey, everybody park down here. It's full. Find a spot. It's full. Oh, that's dope as fuck. Hey, make sure you find a spot down here. It's full, bro. It's full all the way up top, man. You're gonna have to find down here, man. Hey, no more spots up top. You're gonna have to find someplace. Everywhere is packed up there, brother. Bro, you know how many motherfuckers ask me about shirts, hoodies, decals? Stop slagging. But no, you gotta park down here. There's no spots, brother. There's no spots up there. You gotta park down here. Yeah, I'm just letting you know. We got the motherfucking mini bikes and shit. It's funny as fuck. like on the bottom levels. It's all full, brother. Hell yeah. Hey, you either gotta park like somewhere down here or you gotta go to the library. It's getting full. I'll say it's all full, man. You can go to the library a lot if you want. It's all full almost. Yeah, you gotta, hey, it's getting full in this bitch, man. You gotta go to the library, man. Don't lie. Bro, it's getting full, bro. Causing a motherfucking traffic jam. Whoopsie. My bad. Bro, it's full as fuck in here, bro. It's full. Shit's crazy. Yeah. Look at that motherfucker, nice. Yeah, that motherfucker nice too. It's getting full, man.
I want that.
You want that?
I want the doors right there. I want that.
Yeah, it's getting too. This is crazy. Damn. People fuss. I apologize. My bad. I feel bad. Man. Bro, the whole deck is full, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I was gonna get your
It's already full. You gotta go to the library.
That's what I'm saying. This shit popping, bro. This shit, dude.
Yo. I was saying it's crazy out here.
What's up, brother, man?
Man, okay.
Bro.
Oh shit. Oh, Godzilla. Bro, this is no parking. You gotta park down here. It's crazy. I'm trying to tell him, like, hey, there is not no spots available, bro. Go over there, and like, there's no parking at all, so don't keep coming up with me. What's up, bro? I was literally just coming down there. Yeah, I'm about to make my way back up. Man. Damn, what's my boy hitting the Honda? He fucked up the tail light. That's crazy.
Not just the tail light, bro. The whole thing was crushed there.
Damn, he must have been sliding off. This shit is nuts. Middle schools?
Yeah.
Oh my god, not them again. I got a gun too, man. Shit, play with me. That V right there is hard. The baby might be back in heat. If it was Pakistan. Yeah, in fact, that this motherfucking place is already jumping is crazy, bro. Like it's like almost all the way full. Crazy. I got you. What's going on, man? I'm Drew. Nice to meet you, dog. I'm gonna holler at you. I'm gonna do my little, see what's going on. See, I need to tell all they ass to stop revving down there. Too much revving. Yeah, too much revving. It's all the bikes. All these nice cars, and people, they be saying there's nothing but daily traffic. Shit, man. I mean, some, yeah, but there's a good amount of motherfuckers out here with some nice ass shit. Oh, you got people all up there and shit too.
Yeah, this is nice daily traffic.
Hey, right? I mean, like, nice Subaru. Huh? You're funny as fuck.
You want to see me do
Sure. Alright. That's why I was like, sure, man. If you can do it, fuck. Not off the ledge. Hold on. I know somebody sprayed a little too much of that fucking shit. Oh, I can't breathe. Ah, shit. Who the fuck was that? Unless all of them was wearing that shit. And it was like, damn. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, I don't know where y'all gonna park. It's all full up there too. It's full up there. Yeah, there ain't no spots, no more room. God damn, how many bikes is there? It's a bike. Bro, what the fuck is this? A bike here or a car? It's a deck meet. It's a deck meet.
Get this on the page. No, we're not doing that. Get this. Come on, we're gonna do this.
No, I am not. I am not. Stay away from me. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy. I'm trying to get me. Hey, there's no spots to the library. You're gonna have a trouble. Hey, before you get too far, man, go to the library. Oh, damn. Now you're gonna have to maneuver. There's no spots. You gotta go to the library. Hey, go to the library. There's no more spots. Save y'all some time. Huh? I'll say there's no more spots. I'm gonna save you some time, man. Go to the library. There's no more spots. It's all full up in there. Don't want you to be like in a traffic jam. To the library. Cross the street. Cross the street. Cross the street.
The other side of the building.
Nah. And then if there is, it's gonna be hell getting in it. To the library. To the library. Oh, there ain't no spots in there either. That's all reserved parking. You don't want to park in reserve. All right, is that Dave over here pretty much? Y'all got some shit too? Tell them to the library. Cool. I appreciate y'all. To the library. Make sure you tell them to the library. I'm sorry, but this is $3.99. Don't expect nothing.
I feel bad for all the people in here.
Crazy boy. I heard that, dog.
I'm just saying, man. Is that Ninja? Oh, shit. Hey, make sure you go to the library. That's his mama's woozes.
Man, I bet you all these niggas hate you because all these bitches are yelling, truly.
I'm like, hey, they better stay away from me. They better stay away from me. They gonna get killed, bro. They gonna get killed. They better stay back. Stay away. What? Yeah. Hey, make sure you go to the library. To the library. God damn, what the fuck is two of them? Hey, to the library. Hey, doggy. To the library.
Look at this guy.
Look at that guy. God damn, man, you think this is like a car racing?
Say hey to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Look, we really deep as fuck in this bitch. You understand that, right?
You need to stop. You're not even a YN for real.
I'm just saying, we deep as fuck.
Stop it. You live in the suburbs.
The Ranger's the best car.
Yeah, let's see what's all over here now, alright? We seen all at the deck. Everything's cool over there. Your boy did that. We're about damn near full over here, it looks like. About damn near. Oh. Drew it in, hosted, and then hosted right. Woo. Motherfucker got a Texas plate. Just bought that bad boy. Q50. Q50. Everybody fuck with the Mini Coopers, man. They're really a big thing. Oh, it's nothing but daily traffic, bro. There's some nice ass cars here, man. Nice ass cars, nice ass bikes. That is sexy, y'all. library's closed. That's the only thing that they really worried about. When they were open, don't park in front. But since they're closed, well, you trying to hold my hand, bro?
Dude, you trying to hold mine.
Trying to hold my hand.
You trying to hold me. I know you love me and all.
Hell yeah, man. You know I love you, bro. Nice. Let me know if those are reps or not. Hey, man, you finally got a bumper. Ain't that something?
I got a set of cooks in the back that I got to put on.
Goddamn, boy.
You got a bumper now.
I see that shit. You got a bumper now. Look, you think you big boy, huh?
I am big boy.
Oh! This man.
Still ain't fixed my window though.
Hey, look at you, striker, bro. This is a Johnny
Come.
girl, bro. Hi. What?
Why is this like everybody here today?
Because if Drew ain't hosted right? I think all the bikers about to go on a cruise. I think all the bikers are going on a cruise.
Oh yeah.
You alright? What up? Look at that motherfucker. Oh. Nice. Look at that beautiful old school. Beautiful. All these bikers, man. All these bikers. What up, G? Bro. Yeah, alright.
I already know. Come on.
Whoopsie. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Might have to start having them park on the street. Bro, is this the year that I got to leave today? Damn. Might have to retire this deck, bro. Shit. Too many people. Need a bigger deck. I need a bigger deck. I need a bigger parking deck. Definitely need a bigger deck. But I feel like everything will like work itself out. Find a spot, park it, you know what I mean?
Watch this.
What the fuck, bro? My nigga got the light up Crocs. It's crazy. Light up Crocs is nuts. Alright, I'm not even gonna lie. That's diabolical. It's pretty sweet. I guess that's like the grown up version of light up Skechers.
Badass, dude. I think I gained like 5 horsepower with these things.
5 horsepower is crazy.
Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. You can set the tack. You want 7,000? You want 9,000?
This man, he's turning up his boost. He's adjusting the boost. You're good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Come on. Now cut that shit. Big boat. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, he's missing a headlight. What's up, my man? Yes, sir. Crazy. Yeah. How you doing, Rico? it is over there. It's like the first 2 levels up that way. We got this whole deck. Yes, sir. And so far, no cops. I like that. I like how there's no cops, bro. Yeah, it's pretty chill right now. Ah! My foot. But if Drew ain't didn't host it, it ain't hosted right. Bro, I was just about to buy one just like this. Huh? I think it's your hair.
Yeah, that blue GT500 right there, that's mine. He's borrowing the keys to impress his lady.
Oh, word?
Oh, word.
Oh, fuck. Bro.
That's what turned out really well, too.
And we got hella motherfuckers over there.
That's what I'm trying to say, though, man. We gotta go to the skate park. There we go. We gotta go to the skate park. It is too many people in the spot. Let's find those spots.
Hey, you're the host. What's up?
Everybody asks.
Ready, Word?
Brother Word.
All right, bet.
Go ahead and announce it. Stay in the middle and announce it.
Hey! Everybody to the skate park! Now!
He said no. He said no like he's gonna whoop you.
Let me take my belt off.
Hey, you better get that baby oil. Hater, you know you want it. You know you want the ditty.
Don't diddy it.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
On the boat, y'all.
I'll get shit jumping. Don't play with me. You might think I'm DJ Cheeto on this bitch.
I'm a horse on that.
Yeah, man. That bitch nice. That Ninja was nice for it. What was that, 1,000?
Yeah. Bro, and the cops are all around this bitch. Crazy. What the fuck? Bro. What is that? How does that even fit in here? What up, brother? Yeah, we're gonna go to the skate park, man. 2 niggas already wrecked down there, bro. They were doing donuts in the field with each other. What? Yeah, bro, that's what I said.
You always get the action. That's cool.
Man, man, way too many people here. Here is a motherfucking Lamborghini. Yeah, it's crazy. We got a motherfucking Lambo. I know. A motherfucking Lambo. Look at that motherfucker. Ah. That is nice. That's what's up.
Oh, dang.
It's the nigga on, bro. Yeah. Marco! From where? Quiet place?
That's a letdown after what we just said.
Alright, so shit just got real.
Shit. Shit.
See that? ETI rolling with the big boy.
Okay, okay. Hood dump, type R. That's hard. That's hard.
The middle hood dump is crazy. That's a new one.
Is that your wife? Oh, your wife is kind of sexy. Oh, I want to see him do Hey, the cop's sneaking like right down there in the parking lot. I don't want to go. Damn! Yeah, go right, go right. Oh my god. Hey, there's a car down there.
Ye motherfucking all. Ye motherfucking all, mother.
Oh my god. There's two? There's no cop, bro. Spin it. Spin him! Spin him! Spin him! That shit was fire!
Oh, God.
What even is that? That looks like a fucking... I don't know.
This guy like
It looks like a Nissan truck.
Wait, he might spin that shit.
That's it. I have 3P. I have airlift 3P performance bags, the performance series, not their slam series.
Fucking burnout.
Right, and it.
I need to get that on video. It kind of
What the fuck is that? Slow rev, slow rev, low rev grip. It's a low rev, low rev.
Stock.
RS3? Yeah.
Lambo.
That
Lambo.
should be a Lambo. Gallardo is crazy. Hold on, big boy.
Okay, the guy that's running it,
It's everyone's.
yelling from down there to tell the cars to turn around.
Hey, it's a fucking track hawk. Fuck the other shit, it's a track. Shit right there.
My fault. Stock Honda.
So many fast dudes, nigga, I can start a dealership. You can't come around if you ain't gang, it's only membership. Niggas play my songs and be like, I don't think y'all hearing them. She be getting cracked by everybody, that bitch